Okay, I have a new this is not as good as this one, so we'll use this tweezer. I'm going to try to put the brush in. Okay, you can see that the spring is working, so that's good. You know, I mean, these are not parts designed for this. These are just random parts. You know, kit bashing to try to make this locomotive. Now, here's an interesting dilemma. This spring has a little piece of wire on it when I cut it off that looks like it'll definitely get in the way. So how do I grab this without deflecting it altogether? Well, looks like it's okay. Let me put on these magnifying glasses. Magnifying reading glasses. That clears things up a bit. Try to use this tweezer. Hope you can see it. Oh, I want to go the other way. I guess there's a problem on both sides of the spring. Okay, the spring is in. Here is the other bushing. I mean, a brush. I don't know why I keep saying that. Wow. I think those springs are just a tiny bit too long. But if I could get the armature on, they would be perfect, because you really want to have... Now, I hope you can get a look at that. The springs are inside the copper tubes. The brushes are there, the carbon brushes. The million-dollar question. Can I now get this armature piece in so that these brushes are up against the commutator? So close. And yet so far. Great song, right? Now, I guess I'm gonna need a bigger bench. Maybe just a needle one. Ah, collapse. That's a good collapse. This is one of those tube cutters. It's the old-fashioned, better version of this plastic one. Alrighty. I think it actually went in. And nothing seems to be binding. Nothing seems to be binding. But I feel some little tiny resistance. There is. The resistance seems to be a solder point on the armature. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work right. We're going to try it just for a second. Shoot. Somehow the magnet pulled it with such force that it came out. Wow, amazing. It pulled everything out. Wow, that is one strong magnet. Okay, I'm gonna have to fix something. I'll be back.